Hello guys, today I am going to talk about principles to help us through adversity. If we are confident of the Lord's love for us and understand how He uses adversity in our lives, we will be able to trust Him and respond in a way that benefits us. The first, adversity is one of God's most effective tools for strengthening our faith. Now, if we focus on the ways He is working within us and enabling us to endure afflictions, our trust in Him will grow even if our circumstances stay the same. Second, the Lord sends adversity to help us and not to hurt us. Now, God's purpose for allowing pain is to achieve something good in you, in us. Now, He may bring to correct us or produce godly character in us. In the case of Apostle Paul in 2 Corinthians 12:7-10, God protected him from the pride and taught him to depend on Christ. Third, God is always with us. Now, we may not feel His presence, but He has promised to never leave us nor forsake us in Hebrews 13 verse 5. Now, as believers, we have been united with Christ and His Spirit lives within us. And lastly, adversity can be a precious gift from the Lord. Pain and hardships are the instruments He often uses to correct our thinking and turns us around and guide us onto His path. Thank you and God bless everyone.